Shred Honest Review. Watch before using. Welcome to my honest review of Shred, the fitness app designed for anyone looking to optimize their workout routine, whether you're a beginner or an experienced lifter. Shred offers a wide range of professionally designed training programs, including strength training, bodybuilding, weight loss, and functional fitness. The app caters to gym goers and those who prefer at-home workouts, with detailed guidance for both. Each program is structured to help you achieve specific goals, and the app provides step-by-step instructions, video demonstrations, and progress tracking to ensure you stay on course. A standout feature is the ability to customize your routine based on your fitness level and available equipment, making it a versatile tool for various training styles. Shred's clean interface is another big plus. It's intuitive and easy to navigate. When you open the app, you're greeted with your daily workout plan, which includes clear instructions and videos for every exercise. The app also integrates timers and rest periods seamlessly, ensuring a smooth workout flow. For those who thrive on motivation, Shred's leaderboard feature lets you compete with other users, pushing you to give your best. One unique aspect is its focus on progression. Shred automatically adjusts your workouts as you grow stronger, ensuring continuous improvement over time. The app tracks everything from sets and reps to personal bests, providing a clear picture of your progress. However, it's not all perfect. The app requires a subscription, which can be pricey compared to free fitness apps. There's also limited nutritional guidance, so if meal planning is a big part of your fitness journey, you'll need to supplement Shred with another resource. Additionally, while the exercise library is robust, it's primarily geared toward gym workouts, so if you rely solely on bodyweight exercises, the variety might feel limited. So, who is Shred for? It's ideal for individuals who are serious about fitness and want a structured, professional-grade program. If you're someone who appreciates detailed instructions, automated progression, and a well-designed interface, Shred is a solid choice. However, if you're on a tight budget or need extensive nutritional support, you might want to weigh other options. In summary, Shred delivers a polished and highly effective fitness experience tailored to your goals, but it's best suited for those willing to invest in their fitness journey. Whether you're building strength, burning fat, or improving endurance, Shred is a powerful tool to have in your corner.